You know how chaotic research can get. One tab for Google Scholar, one tab for PubMed, another for PDFs, and another for a Word document so that you can take notes. And let's not talk about manual filtering of 200 papers when all you need is just 10. What I really hate is clicking all those tabs trying to figure out which is which, spending a lot of minutes doing this. This is why today I'm going to show you the new SciSpace updates that genuinely shocked me in a good way. These updates are designed to save you time, to reduce overwhelm, and help you do deeper, smarter research without juggling 10 tools at once. Welcome back, academic besties, and welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Lerato Kanomsa of All Things Academia, where we explore and explain all things in the academic world. SciSpace has did it again. And today I'm walking you through the latest features that just dropped and how they can simplify your research flow. If you are familiar with the videos in this channel, then you know we are all about SciSpace because SciSpace is for the people. SciSpace is for the researchers. So if you want to know how to write your literature review fast using SciSpace, then you can check out the video that I've pinned somewhere here and linked in the description down below. That video is so helpful if you want to save yourself time. And that was even before SciSpace dropped these new upgrades. So imagine now that SciSpace has rolled out some major improvements, things that I have been wishing for since I started my PhD. We are talking a combined paper table for multiple databases, instant access to paywalled papers, faster filtering and column customization, Google Drive integration, more accurate citation and source snippets. This is the best time to be a researcher. Let me show you what this looks like in practicality and how you can use them for your own research. I'm going to go to my laptop and run a quick literature research using the topic that you all know that I love in this channel, online academic coaching. Okay, so SciSpace is going to run the search looking for these papers that are around online academic coaching. So you can see here that SciSpace has searched papers within SciSpace database and it has found about 100 papers. How many of those papers are full text? It has searched Google Scholars for 20 papers. So you can see the different databases that SciSpace has run the search. This is the search across all these databases. And as you can see, you're getting the most relevant papers that SciSpace suggested. So it gives you the relevant score, which is really important to see that this paper is relevant to this topic. So it filters it by the highest relevant scores. As you can see, that's 99%, this is 90%, this is 77%. So you get the highest relevant papers. But this is also helpful when you want to filter your papers so that you do not have to manually filter which papers or which articles are most relevant to your topic. SciSpace does that for you. But it also gives you the reason behind why this paper was selected, which is super cool. This right here is such a game changer because normally I spend hours opening tabs and clicking through them, trying to cross-check titles, filtering duplicates, but now it's all here in one place. Now, the other thing that's so cool about this is the lib key integration. Basically, what this means is that the days of finding a relevant research paper like this one and having to copy the title because this is not open access, and then going to find a tab that you've opened for your university library and trying to paste it in there so that you find the source and you get it through your university library, those days are gone. Now you can do this right here on SciSpace. All you have to do is click here where it says get PDF, and then it will open up a drop down like this. Then you can download from your institution or university library. All you need to do is set up the access if this is the first time you're integrating, and then you just search your university and then you click your university. And then once you log on with your accreditation from your own institution, and then it will link, then you can open that PDF directly from your university because you have access. So it is that easy. There's no reason to sweat and try to switch these platforms like we used to do before. One thing I appreciate about SciSpace is that it understands that researchers are multitaskers. Now you can analyze and customize the table paper while the task is running. You can add columns like insights, abstract, methods, literature surveys, limitation, contribution. For example, I'm going to add method used. As you can see, it has added. You can also collapse and expand sections without interrupting the task. As someone who works with a lot of literature, this is one of my favorite updates, and I bet it will be for you too if you are doing a PhD. This fourth one is really exciting. You can now connect Google Drive to SciSpace, which means that Agent can pull directly from your Google Drive. No more downloading PDFs, uploading manually manually and renaming files. All you need to do is simply click Connect Drive, give the permission, and then Agent will read your documents directly from your folder. On this note, SciSpace has confirmed something big, that more integration are on the way. This will include Notion, Dropbox, GitHub, and Slack. With the V2 release, you'll be able to connect other tools as well, including OneDrive, Zotero, Medley, and many more. Stay tuned. I cannot wait for Notion integration because I do most of my productivity planning on Notion, so this will be a plus for me. Now, Agent lets you cite directly from paper table, and it shows you the exact snippet that was used to generate that answer. It lets you click the snippet and takes you to that PDF, that page, and that snippet so that you can see what it has cited. How cool is that? This solves a huge problem, knowing that AI is pulling from legit data and not just hallucinating. This way you can verify every sentence, every claim, and every reference. And this is important to me and us in this channel because we're all about academic integrity. All these updates were designed to save you time, reduce your manual effort, and give you accurate research. The combined paper table alone removes hours of filtering. LibQ removes paywall frustrations. Drive integration saves the whole workflow. And citation snippets saves you from academic error. At this point, it's safe to say SciSpace is your all-in-one research tool. Now, for all my serious scholars who are more about working smarter and not harder, this is the tool for you. If you want to unlock these features and be the smart scholar that you are, then click the link in the description down below and use the coupon code to get a whopping discount. These coupons only apply during the Black Friday sale, so this is a limited offer. You better hurry if you want to unlock these premium features. Also, let me know in the comments which one of these upgrades is your favorite feature, or what feature are you planning to try out next. For me personally, I think it is the citation snippets, because even when I use AI, I want to be in control every step of the way. So I want to know where the data comes from, what the data is really saying, and see how AI has paraphrased it so that if I want to, I can rephrase it in my own words. I'm all about academic integrity, and this is a plus for me. Click the video that is appearing on your screen right now, because that is the video that is going to show you how to use SciSpace AI detector so that you can check your work before submitting. So what are you waiting for? Click on that video and I will see you there in a few seconds as I project to you love and grace in a way of 2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.